Check out my fridge. It can open on this side and this side. It's so cool. You can pull the whole thing off. Oh, it doesn't work. Yeah. But unfortunately, the top opens both sides. I didn't know that. Like that. And then like that. I didn't know this one opened like this. I just found out. Cool, I can put stuff here. And here. It's amazing. Oh, this only one side opens once. Yeah. This is the first fridge I've ever seen like this. I've never seen other fridges like this. It's so cool. It's not a magic trick, it's real. Oh, it won't open. Oh, there. Oh, yeah, that's funny.
My stomach is hurting.
Mine isn't, I'm just hungry. I have food. Now I have chocolate. What's on this side? Chocolate. I got ice and ice. That's my fridge. Pretty sturdy and cool. I never knew it opened like this. Yeah.